Stop it.
Baby octopus, take one.
Baby octopus. Take one. Take one.
Take one.
Oh, its
Take
head
one.
fell off.
Show the camera.
Okay, but this is how it originally looked. In a way.
Okay.
Oh, it has hairs on it.
Do it.
So I'll see it. Oh, look how beautiful it is.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I've had those. I didn't have the head part, I just had the legs.
Can you see my eyelash picture?
I saw it.
You gotta chew and swallow it.
How's it taste? Chew it, chew. Yeah, I don't swallow it whole. How's it taste? If you would. Open your mouth, so you swallowed it.
Something he didn't like.
Open your mouth. Oh, he ate it.
Okay, one more.
Uh-oh. Take 2.
Did you like it?
Ew, I can see its eye.
Did you even like it?
It tastes okay.
Really? You can see its eyebrow.
Right there.
That's not his eye.
Are y'all ready?
Thank you.
Number 2.
Oh, don't wipe your hands on your face.
You got it on the shirt.
Go.
Thank you.
How's it taste?
I think I'm gonna go get some more in a second.
Thank you.
We gotta tag you in the photo room.
Did you?
Ew. The last bite is so slimy, gooey, and
How's it taste? Does it taste good though?
it tastes like nothing. This is Dave Fernandez. And
Signing off.
This is mine.
Washing down my octopus experiment.
No, and this is my adventures of different kinds of foods in the world that I ate.
We're a child.